Hi everyone, the topic of this lesson will be a Schoology overview. So you entered Schoology to start these lessons. So if you're here right now, you've entered Schoology. So what exactly is Schoology? Well, Schoology is an LMS. An LMS is a learning management system. It's a cloud-based platform that provides tools needed to manage an online classroom. Schoology basically manages everything that you're looking at in here. This whole program here is Schoology. It's a learning management system. And within the learning management system, you have the lessons, so the content of the classes, and then it's also a communication tool from the teachers to you and your parents if they're checking in and they have a Schoology account. So it's a communication tool between students and teachers and the educators in APS Online High School. Okay, so let's review a couple things here. Schoology is a virtual learning environment for schools that allows users to create, manage, and share academic content. What does that mean? It means that your teachers within Schoology here created the lessons that you're going to be doing in all of your classes. And what else it's used for? It's a communication tool. So there's messages like up here. There's messages being sent between the teachers and the students. There's grading going on in Schoology. You're submitting assignments in Schoology. So basically, like the topic of the title of it is implies, it's a learning management system. Um, and the one that you reuse is called Schoology that you see right here. Schoology connects students and parents to educators and learning resources anytime, anywhere in a safe, secure online environment. So you could take these lessons any time of day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Your parents could check on your grades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can make up assignments. You can communicate with your teachers and send messages to them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So all this is done within Schoology. This is basically the structure of our school. So just like how your traditional school has brick and mortar, put it together that houses all the classes, well, we have Schoology, this program that houses all of our classes. And this is where we communicate and this is where you learn. All right. Also down here is a tutorial on pop-ups in Chrome. It also talks about what browser to use when doing assignments in Schoology. Schoology works differently in different browsers. So different browsers would be Firefox, Google Chrome. If you're using a Mac, you have Safari. So there's different web browsers, and different web browsers they work differently with Schoology. I'm not sure why, but they're supported in different ways. The overall consensus with teachers is that Firefox, and it looks like this down here, this little icon down here, Firefox works the best for Schoology. And working best would mean that videos are showing up when you click on videos in Schoology, that pictures are showing up, that things within Schoology, buttons and everything are showing up properly, and they're not being hidden or they're not showing up. Also, an important thing for when you're using for webinars, when you have webinars in Adobe Connect, are those webinars working appropriately? And that's going to be trial and error. But I would choose Firefox as your first web browser you choose when using Schoology and using Adobe Connect for the webinars. And there's links down here to connect or to download them for free. You can download Google Chrome for free and download Firefox for free onto your computer. And once downloaded, you'll have a little icon down at the bottom. Okay, so down here it says issues with Google Chrome. Some students have issues when logging into Ingenuity with Google Chrome. If you're asking, when you're using this browser to access your Ingenuity online content, you'll need to either turn on pop-ups or right-click on the link and open in a new tab. So if you're using Ingenuity, you'll need to turn on the pop-ups on your computer just to make sure they work properly. All right, that's it, and go to the next page to take the quiz. Thank you very much.